This is Maddington. Maddington Station opened on the 26th of December 1895. Until February of 1952, it acted as a junction for a 700-meter spur line that went over to the Canning Racecourse. In 2013, the station was upgraded to be what it is today. Let's head up into the platform. We've just crossed over the, northern pedestrian maze, and now we're gonna head up the shelter here. This station actually has two shelters, which is quite rare. Huts, quite rare for a island station. If it's side, then of course it has two, one on each platform. But with this on one, open station is battery processor, bean, timetable. So platform 1 for Perth, platform 2 for Armadale. It's an island. This shelter only has seating and a ton of corn on the floor. Yeah. No, nothing here, so if you get attacked, sorry, there's no emergency button here. But there is the other shelter down here, with this nice tree right in the middle of the platform, and some structures. I don't know what they are, just something symbolic of the station. Like little stakes. Jump! That was risky to do. Some more here, but these ones stand up. More bins and a refrigerator as well. And this is the second shelter, which has seating as well as the information emergency ticket machine. Over here at the main pedestrian maze, another timetable board, which strangely shows the Thornlie line even though this station is past Thornlie. And also there are two open stations for processors, since this is the main pedestrian maze entrance. Let's head down. Left takes you out into that little car park and junkyard behind there. We're not going there. Let's go right. Over the Perth-bound tracks, another car park, and here there's a bike shelter over there, parking machine, and then the rest of this area is just a shopping precinct. Okay, let's head over to the main road now, over there where the level crosses. Wonder where the park is. Car maintenance area. Let's just walk across these boards. I don't know what you want to do. Look at that whole cell tower there. So big. About that anyway. Come on, come closer. We're gonna go right here now, because this station is strangely marked as a bus interchange. There is no bus interchange anywhere inside. It's just a bus stop. So let's take a look at it. Apparently this is a Maddington Station bus interchange, just a stop. I don't know what defines if you mark a station as a bus interchange or not. Like, is it a time stop near the station, or because then Kenwick could be marked as one as well? Doesn't really make sense. Here's the level crossing. Some buses might come here. There's 3 buses from here: 228, the one to Gosnell, 229, which is also the one we saw at Kenwick Station a few videos ago. They also have 279 to Kalamunda bus station. which is up in the hills over there, far, far away. And on the other side, most of the buses actually travel over to the Maddington shops, they don't terminate here. And also there, 220, again, like at every Armadale Line station, on the Albany Highway. Okay, just quickly on the other side of the road, there are two more routes, which both go to Murdoch University and Murdoch Station, connection to the Manor Line. The 2 to Maddington Central Shopping Centre, and then 228 actually goes to Thornlie. Also over here, past this intersection on Albany Highway, there is of course another route stop for the 220. 220 also always has really weird stops, which are not the actual stop for the station. It's right there. And that's also actually the train replacement bus stop for Maddington Station. And here, while I'm standing on this PSP, the station gets a rating of 2 stars. It's quite a small station, just huts, but at least there's 2 huts, with a tree and some artwork. A bike shelter, even though it does have pedestrian mazes. It's not brilliant, but there's also buses over there, even though it's not a proper interchange. So, pretty good, pretty bad station, but it still gets a score of 2 instead of 1.